In this video, I will be telling you how to make text transparent on Canva. It is pretty easy, simple, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, write text. That could be simple text. Select a font that should be some sort of a logo font. I'd prefer that way. And once you have done that, go to the you just have to go and click on this effect over here, which is fill. And once you have done that, make sure the color is white as per the background to make it look transparent. Now we're gonna use a third-party application which is Blend Image, and make sure you install that thing into your Canva. Just follow these steps, and you will be able to do so. So it's totally free. You guys can access it. So you should have two images, one for the background and one for the foreground. So I'm gonna go have a one separate image for the background that is right that I have as a background, and one for the text that I have now. All I have to do is to I can duplicate the whole process over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the duplicate button just to export it as an image file. And once I have done so, I'll upload it as a primary image file into it, and that way you will be able to see it. Here you guys can see that I have uploaded it, and now the text looks transparent right over here. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.